What's going on, y'all? SES and we another box Chevy. The box Chevys just come here. They know where to go. This is about to be a big project. I don't know what year it is. 86, 7, 8, 9, 90. One of them. 26 Forges. I just actually finished the box. I'm gonna get a thumbnail. It's gonna be my thumbnail right there. Alright, just actually finished the box for it. Going with a similar 312 setup. It's gonna bang 12 6.5s and a couple set of tweeters. I gotta clear all this out. I went and got the carpet to match for the box. I came up with a nice design. I'm actually about to finish the box today. This is DAKOTA this year. We ain't had that on there. Gotta call them. Bunch of parts, impact strips. I seen some headlights, some body parts, grill, 4-channel amp. The amp board, pretty quick. Knock that amp board out. I think I might have knock it out today, then have my wife wrap it. But I'm finna finish the box. Y'all gonna see the box, man. But this gonna be a real nice, clean project right here. Yeah, just rinsed it off, get all the dirt, mud, and stuff off of it. Fresh carpet. The headliner gonna get done. I think I'm gonna try to get this piece from my boy Box Chevy World. That's missing. But he doing a new steering wheel, so he probably don't even care about this. He got the Forge steering wheel. Radio, doing the radio right here. And then EQ in the console. Like I said, fresh carpet. Got the LS seats. Bunch of suspension parts. I'm actually about to go get a tote just so I can put everything that I don't need in a separate box, man. This car is real clean. With a LED armrest with the gold, with the gold lights. Same thing all the way throughout. Gold mesh grill. And it's about to be a sight to see. This one gonna be real nice. Real nice. He went all in. And then on the sub box, I came up with something. I was like, man, this gonna hit right here. So yeah. Just showing y'all a new project. But it's getting bust down once I got a little bit more of the pieces done. Y'all just stay tuned, man. SES, I'm out. I got one for y'all quick. Alright, y'all, we back on Keith Chevy. I know I got one tire up there that'll fit. I think I sold my last set of stocks. But we about to take his wheels off. And you need some, you need Craig lugs for that. Damn. This tire got a hole in it. Them 5x5, them truck tires. Shit. I didn't think this one all the way through. It's them rallies, 2 of the 4. You know what? Cut the G-body the same size. They just small. I know I got them sitting right here, so I'm gonna grab them. Just a couple times. What's up, y'all? We finally back, man. We had the stocks. Nah, don't cut your. Man, we going to Tucker, Georgia, to go get the Forge cap removal tool. Like, I was like, dang, you need a tool to remove these caps? Man. No, on that car. That gotta go to paint. So we heading there to go ahead and get that so the car can get transferred over to the other shop and have the wheels taken off. So I'm the one that came with the idea. I'm like, man, I should take these wheels off because I don't want it to get overspray on it. So take the wheels off.
Oh, you tried to go and use me to go 40 minutes for my gas there and back. Yeah, pay me $30. Give me half my tank. That's what you're talking about. Oh, yeah, put gas in your car and all this.
You put gas in your car this week for the first time in a month.
And it don't matter.
So I get to spend $60 a week.
No, you do not. Yeah, 100%. Well,
don't y'all egg this on. But we'll be there about 25 or so minutes. Finna play some music. I'm finna keep listening to Paternity Court.
Yes.
And get these wheels swapped out, and then Dang, I forgot to record with the music, man. I literally just been trying to work.
Yeah, we just tried birria tacos. I don't know if that's what they call it. Don't show me all the way. I look crazy, but it was good, y'all. What do you get with it? I'm turning this into a vlog. I'm sorry.
It was bland.
It wasn't as seasoned as I thought it would be. But that's why I wanted to try the lamb, not the beef.
All right, y'all. We got the big cap removal tool. I just used it off camera with my phone dead, but I was like, you gotta be kidding me. So I put some alcohol on the tool. Alcohol on this tab, clean the cap off.
I like these rims. These is cute.
Look how easy it come off. Hold on, might be still wet or I ain't get it good. This is crazy.
You couldn't get it off the first time? Get in here, y'all. Get in here.
Couldn't get it off at all.
Hold on.
All right, man. Y'all heard the kids going crazy, so they all off, man. Got it the back jacked up. Swap everything around. Put some stocks on so the wheels don't get no overspray or nothing on them. And then everything in the inside, I kind of pretty much separate and organize it how I want. So I got to go and put everything outside the car like I want, because I don't want it to get lost. I want it to be super easy to put back together. So, because y'all don't want to swap the wheels around and then get in the car. Keep y'all posted. All right, man. Y'all can see I'm putting the wheels back on. Damn, took them off. Then 15 over here cleared. And then I noticed the brakes. It ain't gonna clear in the front. 15s. Well, I highly doubt it. And then I don't have another set of 15s, so I'm sticking 14s on there. They don't clear on this side. I'm about to call them and I'll just sell the paint. Yeah. It's outside. Just put some spray mask on the wheels. That's gonna have to be that, cause I ain't got no more wheels, like no 18s, no 20s or nothing. I could just stick on here. So putting the wheels back on. Pretty crappy, but should be good with some spray mask. Back on the LS Broham. Damn, I guess I took a piece out. Oh, it's in the back seat. Hold on. Back seat. All right, we got this water neck right here, and got the gasket. Amen. So what we gonna do is we gonna change this. I like to run my gauges all on. I like to run everything on top of the motor. The oil too. I like to run on the back of the motor, but you can use it on the side. Yeah, like that. Down there. But I'm finna rerun everything like I run it. Factory, we ain't got none. I could have used a single, but the doubles be pretty alright. So I'm gonna disconnect that, put this on, rerun all those lines, put the gauges in, hardwire all the gauges, and then everything that's in the inside, I'm gonna organize it. I'm gonna take the door panels off, and then just gonna go over everything.
Corners in the paddock, get my piece. Push a P. Cop new helmets for my P. We don't want no peace. Got a spot at puff spot. J for peace. Drop the dot and now we plant. Beside the peace. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push a P. Push a P. On capital P, I write the president. Count president. Push a P. On her knees, mopping down a P. She let me squeeze if she leave, cause she keep the P. Private speak, privacy, bitch, I'm pushing P. Purple paint, pussy pink, bitch, I'm pushing P. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P, yeah. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P, yeah.
Alright, all of this is cleaned up. I'm about to go inside, do everything with the brain and all that. Well, install that, install the unit, and test everything. So y'all stay posted. LEDs hooked up. I think these side markers out. Yeah, they kind of burnt them side markers out. They're gonna replace those. We're doing some sequentials back here, but we can't do the LED ones because the LED panel ones, because the base gonna tear them boys up out of there. I'm about to eat my lunch, update this invoice, and then shoot. Like I said, one day at a time, a little bit at a time. Just keep updating y'all as I go. Yeah, another collab, man. We got the paint shop. Yeah. What's going on? When you want my car over here? When you want my car? Huh?
So we'll get down with this, I guess.
For the roof? I'm gonna start bringing it over here then. I gotta take the top off. Top getting done. Quarter glass getting done. Headliner. Whole interior. The trunk down there done. The gauge is in. Radio in. It's gonna be a real nice deal here. Y'all see how it came in. Stay tuned. Let me talk to the paint man real quick. I told him I was gonna give him an update on the car as a video. He said, yeah, put me on the channel. I said, I got you. Well, yeah, man, networking, man. I can't do all this shit myself. It's a blessing, but it's definitely some good times. Let's see that, man.